Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com, and in today's video I want to show you how to replace your front blades or how to change them. This can be practical if they're worn out, or if you ordered a new bike and you choose, for example, a 65, but you realized you prefer to have a 60 or a 61 teeth in front. So this video I'm going to show you how to change it. This is the rotor crank. That one you deassemble different. So you untight the central screw, take down the... I hoped that worked. Now I see. So now it goes already easy. And I can take down, and it directly pushes out the crank. So that's one side, and the other side is the easiest to take, like so. We will show you on the workbench. So to replace the front chain rings, we have here 5 bolts, and we use the 5 bolts with the 110 circle diameter, just to make sure that when you order other blades to have the 5 holes and 110. So what most of the times works, just untie them. And you manage to untie them already. If you're a bit unlucky, on this side it will turn as well, and there's a special key which you can order on the internet, which can contra hold these sides of the bolts. But 9 out of the 10, at least when it's new, at least when I work on it, you can untie them like this already. And take off all the screws, take off the chain ring, and put everything back. So I put it now already back because it's very obviously. The other one, this X is, you can change and use another X. So what you can do here, you see again there's an arrow to tighten. So there's also an arrow the other way around, is the way how to untight it. So here I have a power meter from power to max, but normally here's a spider, so don't get confused with this one. So if you have only the cranks different, then you get this part and this part is different, and then you have to replace it. So in this time I have 150, and if you would have 155 or 160, then you can replace them with this one. Now I want to show you how to put back the crankset. So to put it back, well, it's pretty similar. Don't hammer, but push a bit and feel where where it is. Then you put this crank on it. So you tied it all the way. So I hit it on 30 Newton, and then I verify if it have play like this, and it goes easily. With this little one, you can adjust it. So if you have play, you untie this one and you screw. I will show you. Let me see if I have so small imbus key here. I think it's number 2. Yes, it's number 2. So you untied this one. It's a tiny imbus, so it's a bit harder to. So if you have play, then you go a little bit in that direction and you turn it until the play is gone. But it needs to go still very smooth. If it goes really difficult, then you go in the other direction. So you go in this direction, and then in my case now I have a little bit play. You cannot see it too well on the camera, but I push it until here. I'm like, okay, it goes nicely still. I have no play anymore. And I tied this one. And I think it's with like 2 Newton meter, but it's pretty, it will be in the instructions of the cranks. So have a look there as well. So, that's it. If you like the video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe, let a comment behind, and see you next time. Bye bye!